Hello friends, today in this video I'm going to tell you how to black and white any image and I just want to bring out her lips color, or we can bring out her eyes color and just make remain of the picture should be black and white. So how could I do that? So before starting, if you are new on channel, please subscribe to our channel and like video. So I'm basically starting a Photoshop tutorial, so you can go and watch out other Photoshop videos and basic things if you want to learn, because Photoshop has a great scope in if you want to learn it, and it will definitely make a worth in your life. So first of all, you should be aware of these things, or must be aware of the interface. So first of all, you have to go to this button and make sure you have to click on this reset essential. So it will reset everything, and now what you have to do to make it black and white, you have to look at the bottom, and there is option called create a new fill or adjustment layer. So we just need to click on this, and now there is option black and white. We just need to click on this option, and it basically make our all picture basically complete picture into black and white. So now this window will be open, which is a property, and now you have to adjust these things, these color, to make changes. So you have to just have to play with these to make your pictures better. So I think this is looking much better. Or if you by mistake mess up with the image, you can click on this button to reset everything. Fine. So you can play this, you can play around these things, and yeah, or you can click on this auto to set it perfect black and white mode. And now once you're done with this, now we are going to make our lips of the picture or of the character visible. So right now you have to press Z to make it just to enable zoom option. Right now it is -1, which is it will zoom out the image. So you have to choose here zoom in and just click 2 or 3 times. Just zoom the lips that we are going to make visible. Fine. Once you're done with this, we can minimize this by clicking on this. And now what you have to do, you have to choose brush here. So you can press B to choose brush, and you can use square bracket to increase size or decrease size. It's fine. Now what you can do more, so basically now press now you have to go to this option, on this option, and you have to choose first brush here, and make sure that the hardness should be 0%, and you can increase the size to 60 pixel. Fine. And now you can minimize this, or we can reduce the brush size by open square bracket. Fine. And now we can just make our color visible. So press X to make this this black, and now you can use your brush. Fine. You can reduce a little bit more brush. And if you mess up with the brushing, or if your brushing is not precise, like if I draw or if I brush out of the leaf, fine, like this, then you have to press X again, so the white will be the primary color, and now you can erase this part or remove the extra which is not needed. Fine, now press X again and reduce the size if you want and make it more. If you want to make in more detail, you can do that. So now press Ctrl 0 to reset the size, and now you can see the lips are very much visible. Fine. So what more thing? What are the things you can do? You can make the eyes also visible. So you can do this. You can follow the same process, and your eyes will be visible as well. So just save this image, and you can use this effect on multiple images to make practice. And I hope you like this trick or the thing that I have told you in this video, and I hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.